The morning air inside the courthouse was dense with murmurs. Courtroom 6B, typically reserved for civil proceedings, had been reassigned. The murder of Dr. Matthew Klein was too high-profile, too sensitive, and too deeply intertwined with the legal system for a public trial to proceed unprotected. The presiding judge, Helen Wren, issued an unprecedented order. Anonymous jury, sequestered, full gag order. No press, no live stream, no names. Even the jury would not know whose justice they were deliberating. Int. Public Defender's Office. Same morning, Natalie Reeve, 38, sharp-tongued and once promising, now disillusioned, stared at Adam Vale through the thick security glass of the visitor room. "They assigned me to defend you?" she muttered. "That's either mercy or sabotage." Adam leaned closer. "You'll need to keep something in mind, Ms. Reeve. This trial isn't about me." Natalie scoffed. "You're on trial for murder." "No," Adam corrected softly. "I'm holding court for every expert who treated people like files instead of souls." He slid a single sheet of paper across the metal divider. On it, a list of 5 names. Each name included a sealed case number, the abbreviation MK in the footer, and a red check mark beside the final one. His own. A.N.T. Judge's Chambers. Later that day, Judge Wren reviewed a motion filed by Reeve. Motion to suppress psychiatric records retrieved posthumously from Dr. Klein's office. Grounds: illegally obtained, relevance disputed, client asserts privacy under federal health statutes. Felix Granger, ADA, stood firm. "Your Honor, we believe those records contain documented abuse, off-the-books evaluations, and, potentially, financial exploitation of mentally vulnerable patients." Judge Wren closed the file slowly. "If what you're alleging is true, Mr. Granger, this isn't a murder trial anymore. It's a systems trial." Adam Vale's holding cell. Night Natalie returned, this time with urgency in her voice. "I looked into the names on that list. 3 of them are dead. 1 is missing. The last is you." Adam simply replied, "Then it's your job to keep me alive long enough to finish the message." She stared at him, pale. "What message?" Adam stood and stepped closer to the bars. His voice dropped to a whisper. "That even the people who write the diagnostic codes can't outrun the verdict." Into Courtroom 6B, first hearing. The courtroom was filled, but not by reporters. 12 anonymous jurors, a sealed bench, a file cart labeled Patient MKA22. The bailiff called State of New York versus Adam Vale, charge first-degree murder. Adam sat silently at the defense table, his expression unreadable. But beneath the table, his fingers tapped slowly. Tap, 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 tap. Morse code for JURYZERO. To be continued. Next episode, Sealed Diagnoses.